Hi everybody, welcome back to Tam Predicts. Today the reading is what is on his mind, the person you love, what is on his mind, what is he thinking, what are the thoughts running his mind for you, for the situation or for the love situation. So let me do some channel messages. This is going to be a short reading. I want to give as many messages I can. Let's see how many messages I get. And I don't know why I want to do 10 cards from here. I'm using Archangel Gabriel cards from here, and I want to do 10 messages from here. Let me see if I want to switch my deck, or these are just the messages that I'm going to do. And if I switch my deck, I'm going to tell you. So let me see what is the person thinking right now, the person you're in love with. What's on his mind? Okay. He's not allowing himself to receive as much love as he can. There is something blocking his mind or heart, or it could be a past relationship. He's not, you want to give right now, you want to give a lot of love, you want to nurture the person, you want to care for the person, but the person is not allowing himself to receive that love. And I think you're also feeling that why isn't he, allowing me to love him as much as I, want to give or love him. So there is something blocking his mind or his way, and he's not opening his heart to you right now. And it's there is some kind of a blockage that's happening. uh, Pretty much motivated. The person is he's pretty much motivated, or he's a go-getter. Those are the two words that I got. I got a go-getter, and I got motivated because this is motivation. There's something motivating him that keeps you with him. Probably he loves the way you talk, or something about your talking. I get a lot of I get expressions, or the way you talk or you express yourself, or probably use a lot of hand gestures or something, and he loves that. And that's always on his mind, the way you talk, and he loves that about you. And let's see what are the other messages, what is on his mind right now. uh, this is for him. He's not sleeping well at night. I don't know, something is keeping him up. That's what I thought with the first card. There is some trouble, some heart trouble with him. Heart trouble doesn't mean exactly literally a heart trouble, but he has some past relationship, some broken relationship that he's not healed from, and probably you came in his life too quick, and he hadn't healed from that situation, and he didn't want to lose you, and he doesn't really want to get serious right now, but I think he's thinking about it, and this thing is keeping him up awake at night, and this is troubling him. He wants to get closer to you. Maybe that's why he's not opening his heart. He's thinking too much. There's a lot of thinking on his mind right now. So those are the first three messages. Let's see what's the other message. Mother Mary, yes. Not wanting to be cared for right now. He doesn't want anybody to mother him. I don't know why. It's like he's done with that mothering bit, or probably the last relationship was, a lot of mothering happened, and he really didn't like it. And for you also, the messages right now, I would say my channel messages, stop mothering him, give him some space, and he will come back, and he will open his heart. He didn't heal from the first situation, love situation, and he just fell for you, or something close to that, similar to that happened. Guys, this is a general reading, also remember that. So all the messages might not resonate. A few of the messages might resonate, or even one message might resonate. So let's see what's the other fifth message. There will be success, guys. Give girls, I should say, girls, give him time, because it is a reading about what is on his mind, or what is he thinking. It will be this relationship will be successful. Just let him come to you. I feel, let him come to you. You be where you are. Stay put in your position. Don't mother him too much. Don't shower him with too much love. You were wondering why is the other person not opening the heart. I get this kind of a feeling from the woman here, but he will come to you. Just give him space is what I'm getting as a channel message again and again. So those were the five messages. Let me see what's the sixth message for you. Express your inner truth. The guy is not telling you everything. He is healing. He's not told you everything about the situation. It's okay, because a lot of times we also don't want to give details too soon. Probably you just met. Let he will take time, but he's going to tell you everything, and he's going to feel comfortable with you pretty soon. Girls, that's going to happen. I was going to say guys again. Yeah, same thing. It's going to happen pretty soon, but he's going to tell you whatever he's thinking, or whatever he's feeling, or whatever he feels about you, but just give him time. Like, because he if I also feel that he doesn't want to tell you everything right now, because I think it's too soon for him. And he also feels that the relationship is so new. If he says everything to you, or if he tells you everything, and you might not take it well, so you might just run away. I can see ducks running away. So this, he feels that if he says, expresses himself too much right now, you're not ready for it, or also not ready for what had happened, and it's too soon to reveal his feelings to you. The sixth message is, he is confident. He's confident of his love, of this love. He's confident that he wants to be with you. He's confident that things will work out with you. He just needs time, guys. Remember that. So let me see how many messages have I given you. One, two, three, four, five, six messages. Four more. Seventh message is authenticity. The person thinks that you are real, and the love you showing him is real. And I think the person sees that you are pretty real. There is no mask you're wearing. What you think is always what you say. Whatever you have in your heart, you will say. And he loves this about you, and he loves your authenticity. And girls, be as real as you can get with this guy, whatever guy you're dealing with. I think he loves that about you, and never lose this trait about you, or whatever you want to call it, characteristics. That this person loves, that you are very real, you're down to earth. I also got down to earth. And the biggest message is that you say what you feel, and I think he loves this about you. So seven messages. I keep forgetting. How many have I done? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight messages I've done. So two more messages, guys. Let me see what are the other messages. I did shuffle first time. I wasn't shuffle. Keep going. So he's going to keep going strong with you. He's going to make the relationship stronger. This is coming closer. So keep going. He wants to keep going, and he does. It's written, he is not going to use the disappointment of the last relationship in this. He will put the positive energy, and you guys actually will take this to the next level, guys. Is what I feel. Let's see what's the last one. Divine guidance. You will feel that you were meant to be with him, or he's going to have this feeling that you two were meant to be together, and he's going to thank God for bringing you into his life, and that's the same feeling that you're going to have. And I think you guys are both are spiritual or religious, and you will thank God somewhere down the line that you were so glad that this person came into your life. So those were the messages. I want to see what is on his mind. I want to give two, three more messages. That's what I'm getting. I wanted to do from the other deck, so I'm going to give you more messages. Let's see what are the other. I want to give three more messages here. 13 is not really a lucky number for someone, but I don't know why I want to give three more messages. A person thinks that I want to say, I want to interpret it in my own way. I think you've been. He thinks he loves the fact that you love reading. I don't know why I get that. That you read a lot, and the guy appreciates that you read a lot and you have a lot of knowledge. You follow news pretty much, and he loves the fact about you that you have a lot of wisdom and knowledge. I want to say knowledge, that you read a lot of books. So I think you know, because you're listening to me, whoever this resonates with, you read a lot of books, and I think you talk very intellectually with the other guy, and you do a lot of research, and I think the guy loves this about you. That's what he thinks about you. He will open the door to romance because it came reversed. I told you guys, give this guy a little time. He's going to, on his mind, he's slowly opening the doors. I told you his heart is caged right now. He's not very sure if he should give his heart to you right now or not. Yes, he's in love with you, but he wants to really open up to you. It's taking time, and give him the time. That's what I feel. Don't rush things up. Indecision. There is for some of the guys, there is an indecision either to be very serious in this relationship, or to leave it where it is, guys. So this is not a story right now. This could be one standing individual message for you guys. If you've just met this person, if you met this person 8 months back, or 8 weeks back, or 8 days back, or probably you are number 8 or he's number 8, guys, this guy is still indecisive about which way to go, or if to take this relationship to the next level, or probably it's a thinking time, and I really think the guy is going to commit. That's what I think. And I want to do two more messages. I want to do two more messages. It's not, yeah, it's going to open. I feel positive, though it's a reversed card. It's going to open the door to positivity, or he's going to let you in. Give it 5 months more. I get 5 months more, guys. Give it 5 months, and things are going to be fine. That's what he's also thinking. Probably that's the That's the timeline he has in his mind of 5 months. Last message, last message. It says door to value. He will see value in the relationship. This is how I'm going to see it. He is start going to see value in 4 months, that he will value you guys, and that's where he's going to open his heart. It will not be caged anymore, and he will express himself, guys. So just have a little patience with this guy, whoever you're dealing with. Um, he will open his heart. So don't worry. That's what he's been thinking about you guys, or probably those are the things in his mind, and he couldn't tell you and he couldn't express. So I'm just doing these channel messages for you, so you know the person better, or you can understand what he's not really wanting to say, but he's not right now voicing it out, and he will take time to voice it out, guys. So these were the messages. I'm going to come back with another reading tomorrow. Thank you so much. Do subscribe to my channel. You can watch other videos, my videos, and please do comment. I always read the comments, and I do like them, and I give my comments back whenever I get the time. So thank you so much. I'll be back again tomorrow with another reading. Enjoy your messages. Take care. Lots of love. Bye.